go for a walk. This is my beautiful nectarine tree. Son over there eating peach tree. I want to take y'all on a journey with me. We're gonna talk about manifesting. Okay. So I started me a garden. It's a baby garden. And the way this garden, I usually do a garden every year, but this garden is a little bit bigger than what I normally do. I usually do like a couple of pots, or I do herbs, a couple of herbs. But this year I was manifesting some things in my life that I wanted, and one of the things that was land. So I was praying and manifesting, meditating, and the land that's around us is all vacant lots. And I would come out at night and sage the land and say, this is my land, this is our land, we're gonna own this land. Mosquitoes everywhere. And sure enough, we own this lot plus 2 more lots across the street. And for those that know me, know it's gonna be on with your girl as far as planting. And like I said, I want to do a mini orchard. I want to plant like peach trees, lemon trees, nectarine trees. My garden, I'll probably expand that. I'm just kind of getting my feet a little wet this year, but I'm gonna keep it going because I prayed for this land. I blessed this land, and I said that this was the land that we were gonna get, and we have it. And I am so thankful for the blessings that I have received this year. But here is my little garden. I'm gonna see if I can, I don't know how to flip this camera. Get all these fancy phones. Let's see. Let me see if I can do it this way. But here,
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
Now, like 2 weeks ago, and when I got it, it was real small. I mean, it was not as tall as it is now. And I also have some seedlings over here that I planted. I planted collard greens and okra on this side. I see a few of them sprouting up. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see. I know it's one back here that I seen sprouting. There it is. It's in the ground. You barely can't see it, but there's one. And it's another one somewhere over here. I done lost it. But anyway, so I planted okra. Oh, here it is. I planted okra and collard greens. I ain't never planted no okra or no collard greens. But here go my other little seedling right here that done popped up out the ground on me. But I got some, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I got some okra, some collard greens, watermelons, zucchini, squash, cucumbers. I got 3 different type of tomatoes, which is purple boy tomatoes. Those are good. They real sweet. My dad turned me on to them. And then I have husky cherry reds. And then I don't know what these other tomatoes are, but I planted them. And I got yellow peppers and bell peppers and jalapeno peppers. And this is just a start, because this weekend I think I'm gonna get out here and plant some more. Just expand it since everything is growing so good. And I'll do some more videos showing y'all the different fertilizers that I use, because since I've been using the fertilizers, my stuff has been growing, and it's helping a lot. So I'm looking forward to eating the fruits of my labor, baby. And I didn't use a tiller to till the ground. I did it all by hand, the old school way. And I felt good doing it. I spent a lot of time while I was out here hoeing and digging in the dirt, just thinking about, you know, what kept me going was my ancestors did this. And this is how they ate and provided for themselves. And if they can do it, I can do it. Because I wanted to give up, baby. I was out here sweating. I want to give up and put that hoe down, and we got a tiller, but I was like, no, I want to do it the organic way, the old-fashioned way. I feel like I appreciate it a little more because I put my back into it. I had to work that soil, and trust me, baby, it was a real workout. And then over here, I got some more collard greens. I put them in a pot. I had so many seeds, and I didn't realize it. But these over here, you can see sprouting in this pot that I put them in. Once they sprout a little more, a little taller, I think I'm going to put them in the ground. But here these go. And you can see. Let me see. Oh. There's gnats everywhere. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to have to figure this camera out. But anyway, it's sprouting. Collard greens sprouting in the pot. Then I got some trees over here. Oh, I'm sick of these bugs. I gotta get some neem oil so they won't eat my plants, because I'm sure gonna be mad. But I just want to come on and just show you guys a little bit about manifesting. When you manifest the things you want and you believe what you manifesting for, it'll come to pass. It might not come when you want it, because we've been living here for years, and you know, I be like, I want the land, and doubt tried to come in, self-doubt tried to come in, but I stayed strong and stayed the course. And like I say, I would get out here and sage it and be like, this is our land, we gonna own this land and nothing's gonna stop us. I mean, the owners I sent letters to several times, they never responded, but this time they responded. So it was meant to be. It's all about timing. I mean, you set your goals, set out what you want to do, and everything is different for everybody. It's no right or wrong way to manifest what you want. You just have to be serious about it. I love listening to the birds. Birds chirping. And I got rose bushes and banana trees and succulents. I got all kind of stuff out here. I'll give you some more videos at another time. I just want to make a quick video just showing you a little something. And when you manifest things, you say, I am. Try to get in the habit of saying I am when you're trying to manifest things over your life, even changing your life. Just get in the habit of saying I am versus I will. Because when you say I am, it's like you saying you're doing it. Versus when you say I will, it's like I will, you know, I'm going to do it, but not now. But when you say I am, you're putting it in motion for the right now. You're affirming it right now. I am. You're living in the I am moment, and not the I will. So just try to get in the habit of saying I am. I am blessed. I am woman. I am successful. I am preparing myself for the success that is coming my way. I am a homeowner. I am financially stable. And just say that to yourself. I have to tell myself that a lot too. I am debt free. When it comes to, because I spend money, go spend money, and I am financially stable. Remind myself, you don't need that. You financially stable. Don't quit buying junk. But that's it for today. Just want to share that with y'all. And y'all have a blessed one. And I'm wishing each and every one of you peace, love, blessings, and joy. And I'll holler at you.